Hello guys, welcome to TechNet's YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about software engineer job at PhonePe. As we all know that I think there is no need to introduction or give intro about the PhonePe company because this is the thing that we use in our daily life to do the payments, either for recharge, either for send some money to customer or many things. Okay, so this company is all about payments. Okay, as we know that this is a product based company, so the culture is here the culture is very great, of course. Okay, so let's understand where what are the challenges that you have to face in the PhonePe company to get a job, and what are they looking for actually. So they are looking for building for escape, rapid interactive development, customer centric product. Basically, they are looking for the candidate who have something in mind that they have he or she have some type of thinking that work on actually product. Okay, and he or she work on building for scale and large scale development product. Okay, as this is the product based company, so the skills required for that particular job is very great, of course. So as a software engineer, you will need to build robust and skilled web-based application. You will need to think of platform and reuse. Okay, build abstraction and contract with separation of concern of larger scope. You have to work on different type of products that is robust and scalable, and that is that here is concerns of larger scope. That means different scope as per the users level. Okay, drive problem solving skills are high level business and technical problems. Okay, do performance tuning and improvement in large scale distributed system. Okay, okay, so what is the tech stack they are looking for? Extensive expert programming experience in at least one general programming language, Java, C, C++. So if you have knowledge in Python, then it is not going to work here. So you need to have at least knowledge in one programming language, that is Java, C, or C++. Basically, you have to know the C or C++, Java, and data structure as well, because in these type of companies, data structure is something that is very required. Okay, experience with multi-threading and concurrency programming. Okay, of course, object oriented design skill, design patterns. Okay, excellent coding skills, SQL and no SQL, HBase, Aerospike. Basically they want from a candidate to have a good understanding in databases. Again, this is something that SQL is something that every candidate must know, because database is one of them that is required in almost every company. So you have to know this knowledge. Again, uh, you have to be, what are your disciplines would be to get in this company: BTech, MTech, PhD in computer science or related technical discipline or equivalent. Okay, basically you have to have the equivalency in or graduate in BTech, and if you know coding, if you have these type of projects in your portfolio, then you can apply for these jobs. Okay, again, an open communicator. As I shared in previous company, that you should have a very good communication skill, because this is very important skills you should have. Okay, so phone pays full-time employee benefit. Again, this is very interesting thing, that if you are working in a product based company, then you have multiple employee benefits like insurance benefit, wellness program, parent support, mobility benefits, retirement benefit, and other benefits like car lease, reimbursement, salary advance policy, of course, lot of things. So I think you should apply for this job. You can apply this job from LinkedIn also. So you can apply from LinkedIn as well as normally from here. Just to put your LinkedIn profile name and degree, school, discipline, start year of your graduation, current career stage, and just click on the submit application to go through and to get this amazing job. So I think you like this video. If you like this video, so please support us, and so that We will update regularly and motivate for this job. Thank you.